welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do something very calm, chill, cute eyeshadow makeup look today. So we're not gonna go any crazy with the eyeshadow or any drawing or any cut crease. We're just gonna stay as simple as it is. So today makeup and hair inspiration is from Miss Kylie Jenner. So I think I done her before, so this is the second time. So whoop whoop. Anyway guys, so today eyeshadow and everything is gonna be soft and glam, and I think you guys might love it also. If you guys want to know what kind of look I'm going to do or what kind of style am I going for, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so before we're gonna start on our eye, I'm gonna show you guys the picture that I picked from Kylie hair and makeup. So this is her. So she's sitting in the car taking a selfie, and as you can focus on her eyes, so she's kind of having this brown and pink nude lipped moment. So today we're gonna do something like that, like her. So if you guys are ready, let's do it. For today eyeshadow palette, I'll be using Jaclyn Hill's X Morphe Ring the Alarm. So this is the eyeshadow palette that I've been used like from the other tutorial. So I am going to use this one again because I think this is suitable for the look. So as you can see that she got like that kind of color moment that Kylie would wear. So let's do it. Okay guys, so I'll be applying Rush for my first base. So as for the shimmer, I'll be applying Sunrise eyeshadow palette from Chi Cosmetic. So for this step, it's gonna be the wings. So we're gonna create like eyeliner wings, but we're not gonna use the actual ink. We're gonna use a powder to draw. So as you can see in the picture, here is again. So if you guys can see it, like she's not using any ink eyeliner at all. She used her actual powder. So she used like a dark brown or dark kind of or black at all, I don't know, so to draw her wings. So let's do it. Alright guys, so that's it's my powder wings kind of moment, and I don't know how your turnout's like, but I wish it could be like a black eyeliner, but okay. So now let's apply some lashes. Come down there. Okay. Guys, this is the first time that you guys seeing me applying lashes on the camera, because I always apply off camera because it's taking long time and everything like that, and I like to keep it professional. Alright guys, so for the foundation, I'll be using Light Illusion Flower Cosmetics. So this is her. So as you can see that guys, this is the lighter shade. As you can see that my face is more like lighter. I don't know how my face is going from light honey to tan and then to this light. So I'm like changing my foundation every damn second of the day. So I'm like, girl, make up your mind. But let's see if she does the job or she doesn't at all. So let's see. For the concealer, I'll be using Flower Light Illusion Cosmetics. So this is like full coverage concealer, weightless, feel, and crease proof. So this is a big deal for me, and I think you guys should try it as well. But I don't know if this is best for you guys or worst for you guys, but for me, this is like my #2 concealer that I always apply. So this is like the new one that I got. So I was running out of concealer, but people will be like bullshit because I have a lot of concealer, but this is my main concealer that I always use. So yeah. Alright guys, so after this I'm gonna be using banana powder compact. So this is like in like a powder form in the case, not like the banana powder loose like this. So it's a different, I don't know. I've been using them too like forever, so they're pretty good. They've done like a pretty good job. So I'll be using the little brush like this and then press the banana powder onto under my eyes. So now it's time to matte your face with some powder. So for our last powder today, we're gonna apply contour powder. Alright guys, so I'll be using Jaclyn Hill's Ring the Alarm again, and I'll be using Mug Shot to apply under my eyes. Alright guys, so I'll be using the highlighter from Revolution. So this is a white, like icy white kind of moment. So I hope she's gonna do something pretty nice to my face. If she doesn't, then pray for me. Oh my god, so she kind of like giving me frosty sheer kind of highlight. So I'm not mad at all. Like this, I thought it's gonna be more blinded or blinding, but I'm okay with this though. Like alright guys, so I am done with everything. So now I'm gonna set my face with Jeffree Star X Morphe setting spray. Alright guys, so this is my final look and moment with you guys. So this is my Kylie Jenner makeup inspiration. So I hope yours turn out to be beautiful as mine also. And always remember guys, makeup is an art. There's always a mistake and you learn from it. If you not learn from your mistake, then you won't succeed in anything. So that is all for today guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying my tutorials, and then there's gonna be another one which is gonna be Kim K makeup and hair inspiration. If you guys can't wait to see, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification also to know when I post my new video. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. Please wash your hands and stay safe. Love you all. Bye.